How to download Wuthering Waves on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to download the Wuthering Waves application and start playing the game on your Android device, then here's how you do it. In this video, I'm using my Android tablet. You can also use the same steps and download it on your smartphone. So here's how you do it. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open Google Play Store. Now go to the search icon and then type in Wuthering Waves in the search bar. Look for the application which looks like this from HK Kuro Games Limited and tap on install. Make sure you select the official game by HK Kuro Games Limited. Now, after you tap the install button, wait for the application to download and install. It may take a while depending upon your internet speed, so make sure you have a stable internet connection. The game is large, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. Wait for the game to download and install, and once it's done, you can open the game and start playing. The first time you launch the game, it may download extra data and it will take a while until you can start playing it. Also, make sure that your device has enough storage space. Avoid downloading APKs from unknown websites for safety. And your device also should meet minimum requirements for smooth gameplay. So that is how you can download the correct Wuthering Waves application on your Android device, whether you are using a smartphone or tablet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.